Renu Glyco is marketed as a supplement that balances blood sugar, improves insulin sensitivity, and supports metabolic health. But the real question is whether it actually regulates blood sugar or just follows the usual supplement claims. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Some ingredients commonly found in these formulas, like berberine, chromium, or cinnamon extract, have some evidence for modest blood sugar support. However, here's the key point. The effects are limited, inconsistent, and not a replacement for real treatment. What it actually does well may provide mild support. Certain ingredients can slightly improve insulin sensitivity or reduce blood sugar spikes in some people. Works best alongside lifestyle changes. Diet, exercise, and weight management are still the main drivers. Supplements may only play a supporting role. Where it falls short, no strong product-specific proof. There's usually no solid clinical evidence showing that Renu Glyco itself works as advertised. Effects are modest at best. Even proven ingredients don't create dramatic changes, especially not quickly. Overhyped marketing, claims like regulates blood sugar or reverses imbalance, are much stronger than what supplements can realistically do. Not a treatment. It won't replace medication, medical advice, proper diabetes management. So, does it help regulate blood sugar? Short answer, a little for some people, but not in a meaningful or reliable way. May offer small support. Won't significantly control blood sugar on its own. Renu Glyco isn't necessarily a scam, but it's overstated. It uses familiar ingredients that may help slightly, but the big promises aren't backed by strong evidence. At best, it's a support supplement, not a solution. If blood sugar is a real concern, proper medical care and lifestyle changes matter far more than any supplement. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.